dear chess enjoyers, today we're going to continue to explore the exciting chess world, or to be more specific, we are diving into the deep universe of chess openings. In one of my last videos I was asked by whether I can create a video about the very unexpected, aggressive and also pretty surprising opening called the Halloween Gambit, or also known as the Leipziger Gambit or the Müller-Schulze Gambit. This Halloween Gambit appears on the chessboard after the moves e4 and e5, followed by knight f3, knight c6, knight c3, knight f6, known as the four knights game, on which white sacrifices his knight by capturing the black pawn on e5, like this. Pretty crazy for an opening, huh? White's objective in the Halloween Gambit is to seize the center of the chessboard with pawns and push away his opponent's knights on, for example, their starting squares. So after black has accepted the gambit and captured our knight, we continue with pawn d4 like this, already starting to attack our opponent's knights. And here this knight can either now retreat on c6, back on c6, or also the second option is to retreat on g6 like this. So let's at first take a look at knight g6 retreating from our d4 pawn attack. And here white just continues to fulfill his plan by now attacking black's second knight with pawn e5 like this. And after the black knight has escaped on its own starting square, so g8 like this, you develop your bishop to c4, on which black often sacrifices his pawn with pawn d5, with the intention to afterwards, after you have captured this pawn, to now kick away this bishop with either pawn c6 like this, or also by getting back again into game their knight from g8 on e7 like this. But in this position of the Halloween Gambit, black can of course also escape with his knight back on c6. And here you just continue again to chase and to attack your opponent's knights, with at first starting with pawn d5. Black here now has two lines, but the main line, or in the main line, the black knight would escape back on e5 like this, on which you again attack your opponent's knight with pawn f4, the knight escapes on g6, pawn e5, the other knight escapes on g8, and now the game often just continues with moves like pawn d6, striking now really here at the d file of the chessboard, c pawn captures the d pawn, e pawn captures back, and so on and so on. So how you can see, in this position of the Halloween Gambit, or on this line of the Halloween Gambit, white has really fulfilled his plan. The opponent's knights are completely chased away. For example, this side is just standing on its starting square, and we have this very annoying d6 pawn that is really blocking the development of the black army. So white has achieved its goals, but still of course has a material disadvantage against his opponent. The second line after d5 is the so-called Pinski's variation, where black in this position continues and answers with bishop to b4, not only pinning your knight here on c3, but also sacrificing his own knight to your army here on c6. Therefore white in most of the cases just accepts the sacrifice and accepts this gambit, so captures the black knight on c6 with his pawn, on which black just uses this to capture back this pawn here on e4 with their knight, on which we get into this very interesting and stacked position on the chessboard. So this wasn't only with this video in which I have shown you the Halloween Gambit. Of course it was a bit a short video, as this opening is not really famous and commonly played. But how you could see, you can really trap or surprise many of your opponents with this opening, and in some cases also fulfill your plan and get into a really disgusting position for your opponent. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a like if you like this video. Until next time, bye!